Welcome to this Lattix tutorial. In this video, we'll focus on the Excel module. This is Lattix Architect. We will start by creating a new project. The Complex Systems profile is used specifically for systems engineering. We give our project a name and select the appropriate module type. For data sources, Lattix supports both XLS and XLSX file formats. You can create an initial view of either a dependency structure matrix or a conceptual architecture diagram. Now we'll load the Excel files. In the Options tab, you can select how Lattix will read your Excel spreadsheets. The Excel module can read in data in either column or matrix format. In the column format, data is organized in columns. You can load atoms, atom kinds, atom properties, dependencies, and dependency properties. There are example spreadsheets available in the Lattix customer portal. In the matrix format, data is organized in a format similar to a DSM. Lattix supports a generic format as well as the MIT format. There are examples of both in the customer portal. If you're not using the MIT format, make sure you set how you want to read the dependencies. In my case, the element names column is correct, but I need to update the first data column and the first data row. Now we are ready to load our Excel sheets. You can load one or more Excel sheets into a single DSM. In this case, I have two. I'll add both and create my project. I have now created a DSM with a combination of both my spreadsheets.